I'm Preeti Jain. I'm a fitness and a wellness coach. I had the privilege to be here at Goldenbee Global to take a wellness program and conduct a wellness program here. So this was about how the teachers can live a better quality life, be more mindful. I thank the school for taking this opportunity and letting the teachers do this and thinking about their betterment in performance, in their life, relationship, as all this will reflect in their own life. Also, this program helped them to understand where the stress was coming from, and it also helped them to understand how to overcome their stress. This will help them to perform better as a teacher and also as a person who, when goes back home and when comes back the next day, their quality of life increases, their energy increases, they are able to perform better, give their best, and provide the students with a better teaching experience, with a better teacher and student experience. So I thank again the school for providing this, and thank you again and grateful to the school for helping me do this, because I completely and truly believe that a holistic approach towards life helps to make a person better, and a person who is better always wins in life, and the person who is better and wins in life is a person who adds more value to the society. So thank you again.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.